This is the Vision 2020 Quarterly Review. Our team members are Catherine Mills, Juliet Vanderberg, Carter Elmore, Sue Lynn Spey, Caitlin Byers, and Catherine Keekline. Our InduStar indicators are A2.04. Instructional teams will develop standards, align units of instruction for each subject and grade level, and C2.01. The LEA school regularly looks at school performance data and aggregated classroom observation data and uses that data to make decisions about school improvement and professional development needs. Google certification support. Google certification resources have been shared with teachers. Also, a workday testing session was provided for all staff. Central Office Tech Representatives provides weekly training for IAs on Google certification. Digital portfolios. Grade level representatives have been attending digital portfolio training. All 3rd, 4th, and 5th graders are being taught how to create digital portfolios during technology specials. Technology BT presentation. Ms. Vanderberg, our team member, presented at the last BT meeting. She discussed the ins and outs of NC Ed Cloud and shared how to add artifacts. Our next steps include training on digital portfolios, continuing to promote Google certification, promoting ideas for Alexa in the classroom, and providing Alexa tips of the week. Thank you for watching our video.